This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French onion soup. First, prepare your onions by slicing about 1.5 kilograms thinly for consistent caramelization. Next, melt a generous amount of butter with a little olive oil in a large pot over medium-low heat. Add the sliced onions and cook them slowly for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until they achieve a beautiful deep golden brown color. Finally, deglaze the pan with a splash of sherry or white wine to lift all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Once your onions are perfectly caramelized, it's time to build the rich broth. Pour in about 2 liters of high-quality beef stock, ensuring it covers all the onions. Now, add your aromatics. A few sprigs of fresh thyme and a couple of bay leaves will infuse the soup with wonderful depth. Season generously with freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt, tasting as you go. Let the soup simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to truly meld together beautifully. As your soup simmers, prepare the bread for topping. Slice a fresh baguette into 1-inch thick pieces. You can toast these in a dry pan or under the broiler until they are lightly golden and crisp. Once the soup is ready, carefully ladle the hot liquid into individual oven-safe bowls, filling each about 3/4 of the way. Then, place a few pieces of the toasted baguette directly on top of the soup, ensuring they cover most of the surface. Now for the grand finale, the gratin. Generously cover the toasted bread with about 2 ounces of grated Gruyere cheese per bowl. You want a good, thick layer for that iconic cheesy crust. Carefully place the bowls under a hot broiler for 3 to 5 minutes, watching closely until the cheese is bubbly, melted, and beautifully golden brown. Serve immediately and enjoy this classic, comforting dish. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.